Bring out the big guns.
Make sure you plug it in. Write a love letter to your loved one. And strawberries.
You had like a game show voice.
It would be a crime against Valentine's Day if you did not. I won.
Something shady happened.
Time for Valentines Trivia. What is the believed date that the first ever Valentine was sent?
What animal will the Bronx Zoo let you name after your lover? Let's go get our brownies out of the fridge so that we can get them cut up and ready to eat.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi guys, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show.
I'm Sharlene.
And I'm Joe. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and instead of doing the typical flowers or chocolates, you guys can follow along today because we're gonna take our standard box mix brownies to the next level. Sharlene, take it away.
So we are going to have some vanilla, milk, cream cheese, powdered sugar, chocolate chips, strawberries, the brownie mix brownies that we've already made.
Yeah, so follow instructions on the box for that.
Right. And you can always make your own brownie. I have a recipe below if you want to make your brownie from scratch, but we got 2 kids and we just simply don't have the time to do all that. Then we will have a mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a whisk. And we have a big spoon, knife, spatula, small spoon, a separate plate, and a big bowl.
This is a bowl and a big bowl.
All right. Let's get started and get these strawberries cut up. So you're gonna take the stems off and chop them up. Strawberries are all chopped up. That seemed like a big job.
Yeah, next time you get to take a turn.
Yeah. You can grab that bowl and we're gonna put the cream cheese in there. Now we are going to add in our milk and also vanilla. Bring out the big guns.
Make sure you plug it in.
That is key.
Looks good to you?
Yeah, looks yummy. What we're gonna do next is Joe is going to put the cream cheese and spread it out on top of the brownie here. And I'm gonna go ahead and melt these chocolate chips so that we can drizzle them.
Ready, go!
Coming in hot. Literally.
So, if you guys need someone that's really fast at spreading cream cheese, I'm your guy.
Wow. Sprinkle the strawberries on top.
Write a love letter to your loved one. In strawberries. I'm gonna go with a blob of strawberries.
Very artistic.
And now, we're gonna drizzle the chocolate.
You had like a game show voice.
I had to do this for the hot cocoa bombs.
Yeah.
And it actually turned out okay, but it was hard to not get it gloopy. You gotta be quick, because it dries in midair. Oh boy, there's the gloop.
And we'll link the hot chocolate bombs if you want. That was a fun video in the description box.
Yeah, those turned out pretty good, except for your snowman.
My snowman. You know what? I'm not gonna give you guys a spoiler if you didn't watch the video. You can see for yourself what happened. It was sad, let's just say that.
Looks delicious, but we can't eat it yet.
What we're gonna do is we're going to let it chill in the fridge for a little bit, and in the meantime we can play our games and do our trivia. All right, time to play our game. We've got these conversation hearts in here, and
Conversation hearts?
Yeah, that's what they're called. Because they're starting conversation, like,
oh,
miss you,
aren't those just regular Valentine hearts?
love you.
I don't know.
Actually, I don't see the conversation either. Where's the conversation?
So, you got ripped off.
That's what it said on the bag, guys. All right, so the game is that we are going to put a small spoon in our mouths, and then the first one to stack 5 of these hearts and balance them.
On the end.
On the end.
Right. You've done this before?
No.
I have. No, I'm just kidding.
I was like, when?
Go! Well, I won.
Something shady happened.
It looked like you almost won or something over there. I don't know.
Here's what happened.
And then you kept going.
I saw you picking up the pace, and I was like, oh, no way. It's my time. This is my moment to win. And I started speeding up, and next thing you know...
All your hearts were on the floor.
Exactly.
All right, guys, you know what time it is. Time for Valentine's Trivia. My question is, what is the believed date that the first ever Valentine was sent? Option A, 1415. Option B, 1783. Option C, 1715.
Okay, let's pump the brakes here with your questions. That is like...
That is what?
How am I supposed to know dates like that?
There's a wide range. First one's like a few hundred years before the second one. And there's like 60 years between the last two answers.
60, that's not that much.
Well, you guys take a guess at home while we wait 100 years for Sharlene to answer.
A, and that's a guess.
You're guessing A?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I'm just guessing, because how do I know dates?
Yeah, how does she know dates? Is Sharlene right? She's right. I don't know how. I tried throwing her off with picking 2 dates that were similar and a lot further away from the first one. But yeah, they supposedly believe back in 1400s that was when the first Valentine was ever sent. So it's been around for a while.
All right, your question. What animal will the Bronx Zoo let you name after your lover? A, butterfly, B, cockroach, or C, dove?
Well, I'm guessing not a dove, because there'd have to be a lot of them. Butterfly, maybe. Cockroach sounds like the right answer. That sounds like a love language type of animal. I'm gonna go with cockroach.
You would get me a cockroach and put my name on a cockroach?
Sure. Well, they're probably the big ones, so you get more for your money.
What kind of Valentine's Day gift is that? Well...
Am I right or not?
You're right.
I'm right?
Yeah. I don't know who would want that.
It's another one of those answers where I don't think Sharlene would pick cockroach as an answer unless it was the right answer.
That was...
So part of trivia is knowing your trivia master.
And another fun fact about Valentine's Day is White Castle actually offers table service, or offered, I don't know if they're still doing it, but they did offer table service where waiters would come around on Valentine's Day. So I thought that was pretty interesting.
Let's go.
Let's go get our brownies out of the fridge so that we can get them cut up and ready to eat. We got it all plated up, looks really pretty, and it's time for us to give it a taste. Over here.
Over here.
Bring it over here.
Alright. So I cut us some nice big pieces. We're not bashful on this show. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, I could go for seconds.
The cream cheese adds like a little tartness as well as the strawberries, and then the chocolate on top definitely reminds me of Valentine's Day, like the strawberries dipped in chocolate vibe.
I don't know, I never got any.
Well, here we go. Pretend like there's not cream cheese on there.
We're gonna enjoy the rest of this, but make sure you guys check down below for the recipe. If you don't have anything planned for Valentine's Day, this is what you need to do. It's delicious. It has all the things that Valentine's Day is about. And if you're interested in our shirts, there's links down below. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.